Hold eh. Hold ba? Massage. Massage. Massage yun. Massage. Di kong birama, Rod. Layo na ba din ang rota?
Hi and welcome to my new vlog. Today, this is Salvador Street, Banawa. Hands to yourself.
Sa kabok. Luis. O si Bardo.
This is Esquina Banawa. Going to Paseo Arcenas.
Ikaw na sa Rosita.
Rosita, Domingo. Sa Mandukas ko. Matapagsaon ba din mo?
Esquina.
Oh.
If ever there's a tomorrow when we're not together, there's something you must remember. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. This is Esquina Banawa. Any years doesn't have a space.
Upan magka-Diyos.
No.
Oh. Oh.
Keep
Puro.
Esquina Banawa. You're not tilting the device correctly and slightly.
Mo yun. Nga basig kanang hambog ra pud ba?
No. No.
Sugda naman ako. Ako naman
Mami.
kasod.
Mami talking.
Na-found out bitaw ng gabi. Si Bugaw ginap.
No talking, Mami. No.
Ni Bugaw gitinuod.
Mami.
Sige.
This is going to Forest Hills.
Di na ba dyan maulam?
Di mauwaw, eh.
Mga tao, hindi mo gawa. Isag kinsa.
We are hiring.
Sumakon, wala ko minidahin yung was this done. Dahil mo pagwapan. Kaya hindi mo ganahan tanaw nga yak mo now.
Hindi na.
Oo, hindi na mo kanina. Kanina na ka na palinid. Pila rin pagkagting mo na kung galing mo gaw na dito ay. Oo, kasi nikit pakialam.
Landing up.
Oo, dyan ang mo tanaw. Gawan yun.
This is Sundance Court Compound. Esquina. Preparing the Krabby Patty. Are you ready? 5 minutes to Cebu Business Park.
Pero mamatay man ang padong.
This is Little Red Barn. We're here in Esquina Banawa.
Buto ka Pinoy?
No.
No? So tingin mo bad. Give me borrow your hand, be. Touch Papa's hand. She hands good. No, that's kayo magdano makata.
No. Keep hands to yourself. It's because of the pandemic we can't go anywhere. Left turn, Papa. Left turn.
Let's turn niya.
This is Virama Avenue.
Traffic ron ha kay school. Anak. Kita naman siya.
No.
Uy, mami.
Hindi mo na house of frutas.
No.
Tubot, dali akong balay prutas.
No.
Balay prutas yan.
Balay Pandesal.
Balik na sa atin. Si Did Mom siya, kung saan ipagkita.
Virama Avenue.
Yes.
Virama. This is Cebu City, Guadalupe. Hands to yourself. Extremely low battery.
Be careful ka nga to sa atong naugang house ha, kaya nabit yung mga dogs na to. Bulingit pa kayo.
Don't block the driveway. 1 liter of water.
Your balay prutas
No, no.
na. Dili soy and bean di ay. Soy and bean. Ang naman siya iba po, kasi prutas po. Balik pa.
Slow down, children crossing.
Oh, look, learning ladder.
Dili na lang.
Learning ladder ni mo.
There's a lot of children crossing at Virama Avenue.
Okay. Cool.
No,
And this is the
No.
Bay
no.
Sports Complex.
No.
Ganyan punta ka. Ang yawi, ibiling ko sa okay, go. Oh my goodness, mom.
No.
Biktima na.
No. You're not tilting the device correctly and slightly. We're done with Virama Avenue.
Entering Guadalupe Heights.
No. It's the This is
Where are we now? Where are we? Where? Oh, you don't know? Where are we, man?
no.
Where are we?
Not okay. Sadness.
Guadalupe Heights.
Sadness. If you like this video, there's plenty more that we came from. Do you like us?
Where this came from?
This is at Guadalupe Heights
Go.
Village. Like and subscribe, thumbs up,
You just walk.
and thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Reading the button. Hindi ka manaaw, Diyos? Ako yung piling niya bitubo. Bitubo.